Well, hello everyone. My name is Arlet Zamin Marcelon Siwa, and today I'm going to show you how to use Storybird applications to enhance your creative writing. So, let's go. To access the storybird.com, you have to first access the Google and then type for storybird.com. Then voila. Now you are in the first page of the storybird.com or Storybird application. Before I show you how to use these applications, first we have to know what is Storybird. Storybird is an online social platform or Chrome applications for storytelling. In these applications, we act as the authors. So it means that we can compose our own writing as our own product of creativity. The reason why I told you before that Storybird can help you to enhance your creative writing ability is because in these applications, it provides us lots of readings such as picture books, long form story, comics, flash fictions, poetry, and blogs for our writing reference. Then also, these applications limit us with our own design picture. So in order to write, we have to use the template that this application provides for us. So in that way, we can enhance our writing using those templates step by step. As you can see, this is our dashboard or our home page of these applications. To continue to read, you can click the read options above the applications. Here. Well, this is the reference or written reference for picture book. If you want to continue to the long form story reference, you can click the long form story here, or probably you want to visit the comics, or probably you want to read some flash fiction here, or probably a poetry. Here, there's lots of poetry provided by these applications, and then blogs. There are lots of reference you can read for learning. And then when you want to write your own written product, or if you want to produce your own writing, you can click write. Here, it's free. You can choose all the artwork or the template provided by these applications to start your own writing. Now, I'm going to show you how to create your own writing using the templates provided by these applications. For example, I'm going to write some poetry using the templates provided by the applications, the templates for poetry. As you can see, there's lots of the templates, the pictures that provided by these applications for poetry. So it's up to you to choose what kind of pictures you want to use as your background of your poetry or as a background of your writing. Here, I'm going to choose this picture. Alright. As you can see, there's also the lots of pictures in this template, but I still keeping this picture as my background of my writing. If you want to write, you can see in this picture, you can read, there are several words like start your poetry here. This is the sign for you to create your own, to write your own words in these pictures. Like example, I'm going to erase some part of this blanks like here. I'm using just one blanks like here. First, I'm going to erase the words and start to write my own words. Here I already write my own words. My first line. Here you can see the words are separate. So it's up to you to design your own, for example, your own poetry. Example here, I'm going to design mine. First, I'm going to drag the words here up. First picture. Here. Then, if you want to add or continue to write, you can click the positive button or plus buttons or add buttons in below this picture. Here. As you can see, you can also change the picture itself, like here, or probably here. Yeah, you can use the same picture, and then start to write. So as you can see, I already finished my poetry, and then I'm going to put a title on my poetry. So after you finish or complete your poetry, and then you want to add some title in your poetry, you can just click the column that says add a title, like this, and then write your own title for this kind of poetry. I'm going to name it as God's Red Rose. Okay, done. And after you put the title, you can save your poetry. For save, you can just click the save button here on the left side of the applications, this applications, the page, and then you can preview your own poetry. Just click the preview button on the left side of this page here, like this. Yep. Preview. Yeah, this is the complete preview of your own writing. Yeah, it's the same principle also goes to for others writing, like example short story or your fictions books, your short story, and etc. in these applications. So after you preview and you think that it's already fixed, then you can just publish. Then we go back to the editing stations. You can choose save if you think that this or your writings are not complete, and then you want to continue it later. You can choose save options. But if you think that you already finished it and then your writing is already complete, you can choose save and exit. And for this writing, for my writing here, because it's already finished, so I'm going to choose save and exit. Yeah, this is for this is options for this option for to if you want to publish your writing. There are several options. There are publicly and privately. If you want to publish your writing to public, you can choose publicly. Here there are several terms that you have to complete, and also it's optional. There's required and optional. And if you want to privately, you can click privately, and then there are several requirements here, but it's optional except for the languages. And because in public you have to submit, this is required for one ticket needed, because this is not an uh, this is my account is just for trial, so that's why I'm going to choose privately to publish my writing. Here is optional required, yeah, English, English, and then publish. Yep, that's our publish. If you see the notice, if you see the notification here, your story God's Red Rose was successfully published privately. That's the sign that your writing already published. Yes, and you can go back to your home page or your dashboard. You can see this is the uh, sections. Yeah, in your dashboard there are dashboard, reading, writing, PDFs, badges, crowns, tickets, and favorites. And if you want to check your own writing, you can choose writing section. Here, this is your writing. As you can see, the status of the writings is private because I'm using the trials account. So in order to publish to public, you have to uh, access these applications as the official's account. Yeah, but you have to pay several amounts to achieve the official account. Yeah, if you enter or you try this account with the trials account, you will get the time limit for accessing this application. Like this, my time is 19 hours left, yes, for accessing these applications. And then for the uh, and then the same principle also occur if you want to uh, write the another type of writing. Like example, if you want to write about a picture book, or you want to make a long form story, or write your long form story or comics and flash fictions. Yeah, you have to choose these uh, pictures or the templates gave by the applications, or provided by the applications. Yeah, similar with when you make your own poetry. Yeah, so the challenge gave by this application is you have to become more creative to make your writings more unique, or enhance your creative thinking when you want to write. Yeah, because you have to write based on the pictures you choose, not with the pictures you upload. Yeah, because you cannot upload your own picture and your own text of your poetry, because there will be uh, misconceptions between the picture or the backgrounds, or the backgrounds you use with your own uh, writings. Yeah, so I think this challenges, yeah, this challenge that make these applications is good for train yourself for creative writings. Yeah, or practice your creative writing ability. So using the Storybird will enhance your creative writing ability if you want to push yourself with these writing activities. So that's all, everyone. Thank you very much.